What landmark lease case redefined tenant rights? Imagine a time when tenants had little say in eviction processes and landlords held all the power. That changed with a significant legal case that shifted the balance. This case was called Lindsay versus Normit. It involved tenants in Oregon who challenged strict eviction laws. These laws required tenants to go to court within 6 days and post large bonds to appeal. The tenants argued these rules were unfair and violated their constitutional rights. The United States Supreme Court looked at whether these eviction procedures were fair. They decided that the laws did not break the Constitution. But the case made everyone pay attention to how eviction laws could be too rushed and one-sided. Even though the court did not cancel the Oregon law, it sparked a change. States began to rethink their eviction rules. They started giving tenants more time to respond and let them raise issues about the property's condition. This made eviction processes fairer for tenants. This case helped change how lease agreements are viewed. No longer are they just about paying rent. They now include responsibilities for landlords to keep properties safe and livable. Tenants gained more rights to challenge unfair evictions and demand repairs. For landlords and tenants, understanding this shift is important. Landlords must keep their properties in good shape. Tenants now have clearer ways to defend themselves if they face eviction or poor living conditions. Lease agreements often include clauses about maintenance and dispute resolution, reflecting these new protections. When you rent a property, both sides have enforceable rights. Landlords can't rush tenants out without following fair procedures. Tenants can raise issues about the property's condition in court. This case made the rental process more balanced and fair. Terms like habitability, which means a property must be safe and fit to live in, became standard. The idea of constructive eviction, when a property becomes so unlivable that a tenant must leave, also gained recognition. In short, Lindsay versus Normit was a landmark case that pushed states to make eviction laws fairer. It helped establish that tenants have legal protections under their lease agreements. Knowing how this case shaped tenant rights is key for anyone involved in rental properties. It influences how leases are written, how disputes are handled, and how landlords and tenants work together.